me, Shamrock Simmer here today, and I am here today to show you how to install mods and custom content and poses from PosePlayer into your Sims 3 game. So here's what we're going to do first. I'm going to tell you something. This is how you're going to find that a lot of videos that you watch, you mightn't be able to understand them, how they end up downloading them, because maybe it doesn't download the same way as yours. Well, okay, here's the thing. If you wanted to install custom content and mods and everything the way I install them or the way other people install them, a lot of the time it's mainly people who have Google Chrome who will actually be able to download it really easily. So what you want to do is you're going to go and you're going to go to Mod the Sims in your Google Chrome search page. Just click into Welcome to Mod the Sims and this will pop up. Sorry about pop-ups as well. This will pop up. No. So what you want to do is you want to go to you'll go to Help. So see here, and you just type in how to install package files. I'm such a slow typer, I'm sorry. But yeah, how to install package files. And then it'll come up here and you'll have Sims 3, Sims 2, Game Help and Other. Sims 3, you scroll down and it says installing package files. You click into that. I'm already in it right now, so I'll just show you guys. So yeah, you're in installing package files. So what you want to do is, I'll go back one to show you guys. Okay, yeah, so here's what you want to. My computer's really slow, by the way, so I am so sorry about that. Yeah, sorry, just making sure I have everything set up. So you know what? I'm just really quickly going to show you guys how I did this. I'll get back to you guys once I'm in the page. So what you want to do is you want to don't mind that, that's a pop-up, so let me just X out of that, if it will exit. No, okay. So what you guys want to do is go down to the bottom here and click Game is Patched. Okay, and now what you will see is installing the Sims 3 package files, setup and files. So it says here, if you have ever read custom content in program files, we'll skip that because it's pretty, you guys can read it yourself whenever you do it, but for now I'm just going to tell you. So you go down to the first one. It says before you can put the package files into your game, you need to set up your game to accept custom content from patch 1.12 and up. This is very easy. I will show you guys that in another video. It's really simple. All you got to do is go into your game launcher and it'll say updates or game updates, and you just click into it and it'll be there. So what you want to do is, it says here the Documents Electronic Arts Sims 3 folder. The contents are, oh my gosh, I can't speak today. Note the contents are folders like DC Backup, DC Cache, installed worlds, saves, etc. Go to your Sims 3 folder in My Documents, not program files. So you go into your mine's in Libraries, Documents, Electronic Arts, The Sims 3. So anyway, now it says, oh my gosh, I have so many pop-up, guys. I don't know. So what you can do now is, if you do have Google Chrome, it's really simple to download. I'll show you guys that in another video as well. But for now, it's you want to have Google Chrome. Once you download it and you're in this page, what you want to do is you'll scroll down to here, and it says download the ready-made framework setup.zip files. .zip. What you want to do is you want to click download, keeping in mind that this will pop up in the corner of the screen, and what you do is you just click it, and then you will have this. So what you want to do is you just click that once, go into your files, and then click this, and all you do is click and drag to wherever you want it to be. So if I want mine, say up here, okay, and then well, I already have it in my game, but it'll basically it'll be there. You don't have to worry about this. This won't happen to you guys, but it'll be there. So this is what it'll end up looking like. And now on to the next thing that you are going to do. It says here, folder with a new folder with words. Sorry guys, I can't speak today. I'm all over the place. So yeah, that's your mods folder. So what it says is the document Electronic Arts The Sims 3 folder with the new folder called mods, which is highlighted in this picture here, which is the one that you just downloaded like there a minute ago. Extract the framework. So what you do is you right click on framework setup zip, file opener, and extract to here. You get the option properly installed 7-zip as advertised in the Sims 3 custom content basics FAQ. So it says a new folder will appear called mods. Double click on the mods folder. This is what you will get. Inside the Documents Electronic Arts mods folder, you should it should look like the picture. You shall see three items inside, one called overrides and one called packages, and one file called resource CFG. Double click on the folder called packages to open it. So that's what we will do right now. So mods, and then sorry about these, I have too many things in there. Packages. So I already have a lot of stuff in here, but I'll show you guys what you do next. It's really simple. If this doesn't help you guys, then I am so sorry. I don't think there's much else I can do. But if there is anything that confuses you guys, just leave it in the comments below and I will take a look at it, and I'll probably make a video about it, explaining to you guys how you can figure it all out. But yeah, so it says inside your folder that you just had, you will have two folders inside it. No Build Sparkles package, and I can never say that, no intro package. Or sorry, no intro. I always say no intro. No intro package. Note the picture shows them with the little green plumb bob icon and the Sims 3 package under the type. It's okay if the icon looks like Sims 2 package icon, a monkey, a white sheet of paper. Mine's a white sheet of paper, so don't worry about it. Or anything else. And the type may say package or something else. Icon and exactly what it says, the type, are irrelevant. As far as working the game is concerned, what matters is that it ends with package. So basically, it just has to look like that picture. Forget about all the rest of it. If it says no build sparkles dot package, you're good, and if it says no intro dot package, you're good. That's what it should say anyway, if you did what I just told you to do. So it says now everything okay. Do your folders look as they should in step 4 and 5 with all the right folders in place? Yes, good. Proceed. Now, if you run your game, your package files should be working in game. You already have 2 package files installed, so you can tell right away whether things are working properly. So your no intro package will eliminate the EA intro video before the game starts loading, which makes it very quick and easy to see if things are set up properly. If the plumb bob animation and intro videos no longer play, go straight to the loading screen and you will know your package file content is working. Okay, so the only thing I have with that, guys, is that does not matter with the no intro package. You do need the no intro package, but that doesn't happen for me, and I still got the mods and the custom content and all the rest of it. So basically, if you go into your game and you get that wee first clip where it's like showing you the Sims 3 like base game sort of thing, I don't know if everybody gets it, I do, but it still works perfectly fine if you do get that. But I still get the intro video and it still works fine. So don't worry about it. Just go along with it. It'll be fine. If don't panic if it does happen. I panicked when I first saw it. It all works out. Don't worry about it. So next you have your build in sparkles dot package, which is also in that folder. It says it will show that your custom content is actually working in game. Go into build mode and build a wall or a room. If no sparkles appear, then another package format content should work as well. Both of these files are for any patch level and any /all expansion /stuff facts. So basically forget about that. If it doesn't work, or if that doesn't happen, or anything like that doesn't happen, don't panic. If you get to the end of this video and you've completely watched it, and you watch it like twice or whatever, and it still is not coming like to you guys, then I'm sorry, but there's nothing more I can do really. This is the updated version of everything though, so some things here could be old or updated, but what I'm using here is updated. So placing package files. Now that you know your package files are working right in game, you can start downloading the custom content yourself. Of course, you'll need to have read about any special instructions or compatibility. Make sure everything you get works with your patch level and expansion stuff pack, blah blah blah, all the rest of that, and you are done. So now we're going to move on to installing your mods, your custom content, post player, proposes, all that sort of stuff, and I will get back to you guys in a minute. Okay, so see you guys then. Okay guys, so we are here back in Mod The Sims. So what you want to do now is you can go into download and watch while every pop-up in the universe happens. It's so pop-uppy. No, but what you want to do is you go into downloads. Once you load, yep, downloads. I'll show you guys. Well, basically you go into downloads. It'll be Sims 3. I just went and created some hair, and now you just scroll down and you can have a look at all of the different hairs. So I already have like a lot of these hairs in my game, but for those of you who do not, I will show you anyway. Honestly, I don't know which ones I have and which ones I don't have, so I'm just going to click on any. Okay, so I know I have one of those hairs. Okay, so let's just go into this. This is Team the Elder hair. So what you do is you just click on it, and my slow computer will eventually bring you to the page that you're meant to be on. Okay, so this is what it's going to look like. You see here that it says Sky Sims 178 hair retexture. This hair looks really good, by the way. Whoever created that, thank you very much. Anyway, and then it says Team the Elder. Just says this is I see for me. And yeah. So this is what you guys will basically do if pop-ups didn't ruin my life. That would be fabulous. So anyway, if it would load. So this is a description. It says to right there beneath here. It's just her saying, or him saying hi, and explaining why or what this hair is about and all the rest of that. But anyway, I won't get into that. What I want to do is click on files, which is down here beside description, install instructions, related uploads, and all comments. So basically what you want to do is, this just says .zip. It doesn't matter what it says after it. You can have zip files or other installation files. I have zip. I have the other one, that's name I cannot remember either, but so what you just do is you just click on that. Really simple. Just click, and that is froze my computer a second. So what you want to do is, it comes up in the corner again, just like our last file that we had to install does. So here you go. You go back into your packages files that you've just created, and all you gotta do is go into, I still have that one open, so don't worry about that. So what you then do is you go into CFOAM. You do exactly what you did last time. You just click and drag, right click, or sorry, left click and drag, and just drop and there you go. And that's it in your game, and you're done. So all you gotta do is X out of that. So that was how to install custom content. I'll show you guys now how, if you want to install mods, it's basically all the same. So what you want to do is you go into say if you guys wanted to do, I'm just going to type in the Sims 3 mods. There's one specific list that everybody, and I mean everybody, uses, so it's NRAAS. If you guys don't know what NRAAS is, it's mods. It's really good. You can basically, so you know when you have a pregnant sim and you want to edit them and create a sim because they're wearing the most hideous outfit ever, this allows you to. This is just perfect. So what you want to do is you don't have to have an account, guys. No one does. No one ever does. It's so simple. So what a lot of people do is master controller. It tells you here the version. Master controller is the most wanted one. So what you do is you just click on it. It's always up the side. Don't worry about it. I have a lot of pop-ups in different windows that come up, so I'm sorry about that. But yeah, and then this little page comes up, and it just says, what did I do? It just says here that master controller mod master. Why computer? Why? Oh, you guys have no idea how frustrating this is. It must be even more frustrating for you guys. Master controller says here that its purview is to provide functionality to manage population of your town. The mod requires manual interactions for altering sims, either individually or en masse. So, masse? I don't know if I'm saying any of these words right, guys. I'm so sorry. So you guys will get a bunch of different little things to choose from when you get here. You can get base mod, cheats, integration, progression. I don't know what I have, to be honest. Extended tattoo and all. I have base mod, I know that. I don't think I have anything else. These are all this is a newer version, which is completely usable if you have an updated patch. Don't worry about that. That's just pop-ups that come with every single thing. Not in your game though, don't worry. So I will show you guys base mod. It's required to run all the modules. So say if you want individually cheats, or if you want individually any of the other ones, this one just covers all of them. So once you download this one, every single one of them is in your game, so it's really good. Let my computer load a second, and we will get into the downloading. Sorry guys. I completely come out of nowhere with the most random nonsense you will ever have heard in your life. Load. Yeah. I just get these things that's just like plugin is unresponsive, and that just slows down my computer, so I just click yes and it's always gone. So my computer's naturally slow, so don't even worry about that. And also I have loads of windows open.
Pay close attention, because I'm about to show you a powerful yet
his computer right now, so it's very the internet's not very good. So anyway, it just says documentation, notes, localization, I don't know what that is, warning, updates, files, all the rest of it. Just scroll down to the bottom and you get master controller, and all you click is download. And of course, as always, you click this, your file comes up. All you gotta do is go back into your files, which is in your libraries, documents, electronic arts, the Sims 3 mods, packages, files. It's a lot of words. And what you want to do is just click and drag. I already have this in my game. I thought I did anyway. But yeah, it's in your game, and that's basically everything you need. That will install your mods, like your NRAAS mods. If you want to say if somebody's not wearing the right outfit, say if it's a wedding or whatever, you want people to be dressed in formal wear, they're not in formal wear, go straight on in there and change them into their formal wear. Or have you ever got it where your Sims are wearing work outfits and you can't edit them, through Control Shift C, and you can't edit them through that, and because they're in their work outfit? Yeah, NRAAS does all that, lets you do anything you need. But yeah, that's basically what you do. You can do this with anything, guys. You find a mod or anything on Mod The Sims or on the NRAAS home. All you gotta do is do this. It'll be on every single one you click into, and that's all you gotta do. So, Pose Player. I don't remember where I got Pose Player from. I think it's from Mod The Sims, so I gotta go back in there. So I will meet you guys back in Mod The Sims. Okay guys, so here we are, we're back in Mod The Sims, and all you had to do is go and search and type in Pose Player, so Pose Space Player, and then switch it to The Sims 3. It says here switch to Sims 2, but it's already in The Sims 3 for me because I clicked into The Sims 3. So what you want to do is Pose Player is at the bottom here. It'll be this girl, purple dress, with this little thing in front of her saying Pose Player. So pose player updated 8/22/13. So what you guys want to do is so simple, so easy, exactly what we did last time. Perfect. That just says here what you're in Sims 3, or if you were in Sims 2, you'd go to Sims 2, obviously. But so what you want to do is, it says here, I already have pose player in my game, but I'm going to show you guys anyway. You go into files and you go into, see, it says here creators pose list kit.zip. If you guys want to install something, make sure you read these really carefully. They will say, if you were downloading a pose, they will say pose pictures or pose list or pose all the rest, and that would be, don't download that. That's telling you what's all in your game. Sorry about this, I have to click yes again. So you don't need pose list, that's only telling you the list of them. If you want the actual pose player, you gotta click the other one. So load. So yeah,
Pay close attention, because I'm about to show you a powerful yet very simple online trading strategy that allows me to make around $100 on average every single day. The best website to use the strategy is...
Just click it. Really simple, and I'm sure you guys by now know what's going to happen. Corner, pop up. You guys never have to X out of this packages file that you're already in. Just keep that up. It's master controller, but it's still up. So see money pose player. What you do, go here, click and drag. I want to hold on a second because I want to scroll down a sec, and click, drag, place. I already have it, so this won't happen for you guys, but it'll just pop up in somewhere in here. So that's all you gotta do. So as you guys can see, that was a no build sparkle thingy that I had. Mine doesn't set up packages, doesn't really need to. I don't know if it does or not, but it always works for me. I have all this in my game, every single last bit of it. And if there's anything that you guys that's in here and you guys want to delete, you just simply right click and drag. Sorry, you go like beside it and you just right click, and then it'll say here, and you can click delete and it automatically will delete it. Well, you can also click delete and then it'll say permanently delete. I usually click permanently delete. It'll be out of your game completely, forever, gone, done, dusted. So yeah, I hope this helped you guys, and I hope that you guys, if there's any questions you guys have, please leave them in the comments below. I'd love to hear what you guys think about it. If you find this helpful, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe, and I will come back and help you guys with more things later. Bye guys.